Hi, George Durkee, Geography 66 class, and this is an errata, a mistake, for assignment 8. I've assigned you the ESRI training video, Get Started with ArcGIS Experience Builder, and at about 37 minutes and 20 seconds into it, you've got a workflow that you create a trigger that will match the map extent and create a list that matches the map extent. And the workflow uses an older version of Experience Builder, and so it's slightly different now. And so to save you the head-banging heartache of trying to figure it out, I will show you how to do it. And so this only covers a minute of the video, so from then you can resume at about 38 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, so you shouldn't be in live view, but I just want to point out that a lot of times if something's not working right, you've kept it in live view and so you're unable to edit. So if you are, just unclick it and make sure you're out of live view, and that puts you back in edit mode. And next, select your map so that those little size bars show up. Go to Add a Trigger. And so what we want is an extent change. That'll be your trigger. So click on that. And here's one of the differences in the video. You'll choose the framework, and then you want to filter the data records, and you select your data. And I've got an extra feature class in here, so you want to use the one that your home page is using. So check the drop down, and this will be another difference in the video versus what you have, and hover over it. Make sure you're choosing stations and not the other feature class, which is buoys. So choose stations, and make sure, and it will be by default, but query by current extent. So it does a query of the stations that show in the map and reflects them in the list. You can get rid of that. Save. And now, let's hope it works. We go to live view. And notice as I pan out, zoom out in the Central California area, it's reflected here. So let's zoom in a little bit, and we just get Columbia, which is the only station showing. And notice that shows as a little dot. And just as a side note, if it's just a dot, there's no wind. Okay, so that should do it. And from now you can continue at 38 minutes for the rest of the exercise and information from the training video. And make sure, again, you click off live view, and you're set. Thanks a lot.